and then all of a sudden, like, you can't even hardly tell that there's a difference. Besides, if you were to start this video over and we did a side-by-side, you'd be able to see the difference, and it's amazing. I have hardly any makeup on too. Okay. Gonna just lightly dust that lighter color on my chin. Looking up close just always gives me a better idea of what I look like. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do the lightest layer of linen, because this is going to give me a little bit more of a pop, and that's kind of what I want. Kind of just in the areas that I want my face to be a little bit brighter. So when you're doing your makeup, you kind of want, like right now my face looks pretty flat because it is, like I have only light colors on, but once I add the contour, you're gonna see that dimension, and it's going to be so good. Okay. Okay, so there we have that. I'm gonna set my under eyes because if I don't set them, then they like to crease. Okay, a question that I get all the time, or a comment or a fear with trying cream foundation, is I have oily skin. There's no way that cream makeup will work for my skin. It works actually beautifully with oily skin. You just have to set it. Another one is I have dry skin. There's no way it's gonna work with my dry skin. It's gonna settle in all my dry patches and everything. That's why I didn't try cream foundation for so long. But honestly, you guys, my skin has never felt more hydrated in my life just by using a cream foundation. It's pretty insane. I thought there's no way it's not gonna settle into all my dryness, because liquid foundation sets in and it looks like my skin is peeling. But cream foundation is amazing, and it doesn't settle in your creases. It doesn't settle into like those dry patches. It actually like hydrates them and makes them so amazing. So I'm just contouring one side of my face because I want to show you the difference of the contour really quickly. I'm just lightly dusting it on there, and you can see, like, it's very natural looking, but you can see just how amazing that looks. Like, what? Even the jaw area. It's amazing, right? Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, send me a message, and I would love to answer your questions. Whether it be, I don't think this makeup is for me and here's why, or I want to get color matched. I can color match you on the internet. I don't need to color match you in person, which is amazing because people out of state can get makeup, and I have been trained to color match you, to get you the right color through a picture, which is awesome. Okay, so wow, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna just hurry up and throw this on, and then I'm gonna do a little nose contour, and then light hand going slow is what works the best, especially if you're applying this really light application. It's just really important to like use a small amount of product. Okay, just kind of blending it out. Then all of a sudden, like, where is the main focus on my face? It's like right in this area. This is called the triangle of light. I think that's what they call it. It's amazing. All because I did a little bit of contouring to push the focus into my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna just add a little bit of bronzer here. And don't forget, I'm using the same brush for my whole face because we're using hardly any product. By the time I'm done using by the time I'm done, there's like no product left on my brush, which is awesome because you can get away with using one brush, but also you're wasting like basically no product, which we waste a lot of product normally. But our brushes are just, they're awesome. Okay. That bronzer just gives me life every time. Okay, let's hurry up and do some blush and then be on our way because you guys, look how beautiful this is. So I already have pink cheeks. Doing this way, it actually leaves pink in my cheeks a little bit, which I'm learning to embrace because the pink on my face does not, it's really hard to cover. So I've started to be like, you know what? I'm going to stop trying to hide the heck out of my pink and I'm going to just work with it. So we leave it there. I'm going to throw in, I'm going to use Hollywood, which is like such a pretty color. I'm going to place it just right on top of my contour. Lightly. You can already see like how much life got brought into my face right there. Okay. So again, if you are interested in this makeup or interested in being an artist, let me know. I would love to chat with you. No pressure at all, ever. I would love to, I just love talking about this makeup. It's seriously so fun. And yeah, send me a message and we can answer all of your questions. Last but the best, my highlighter. This one right here. It's called Starlit, and I'm gonna just lightly dust on my cheekbones. Two more things, because I forgot about this. I'm gonna contour my lips with my same contour color, and I'm gonna be using my multitasker brush. And I'm just gonna go right underneath to create a shadow. Just wait. Okay, and then so pretty. I'm gonna throw on the same color of my cheeks because our blushes are a lip and cheek. Just dabbing it on there. And then you have such a beautiful natural glow. If you look up close, you can see my freckles are still there, but my redness is gone. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, you guys, I'm obsessed with this makeup. If you guys have any questions, let me know, because I would love to help anybody who might not be obsessed with their makeup right now. Let's get you obsessed. Let's get you feeling beautiful in your own skin with the lightest amount of makeup, not covering up our whole entire face and recreating a new one. You guys, we were born with beauty. We need to stop covering it up and embrace exactly what we have. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.